Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. So this video will show you how to insert the data into the table by using servlet. So let's jump to slide number 17. So before that, you need to make sure that you already set up the server and also the database in order for us to ensure the insert process is successful. So then we need to create several files. So in this case, one file named as register.jsp. In this file, we will create a HTML code to provide a form to the user to give or to insert an input. Okay, then next one, another file named register servlet.java. In this file, all the data that being inserted in register.html will be processed. Okay, and then all the data will be inserted into the table's name user details. Okay, then the third file is named as web.xml. So this file will link the two files that we have created before so that it will be processed by the servlet. Okay, so let's start. So okay, let's go to slide 17 first. So please copy this code or this code into our eclipse. Okay, so I already provide or prepare the code in the notepad. So you just copy and paste this code into the eclipse. All right, then go to eclipse. Okay, so this is my workspace. So this is my existing project which have been created before. If you want to add or use the existing project, so you may do so, or else you can create a new project. Okay, so let's say we create a new project, go to file and then new. Okay, you go to project. Okay, choose web and dynamic web project. Okay, and then click next. Okay, so you can name any name for your project, for example, crude example. Okay, then you just click next. Okay, and then source folders on build path. Okay, SRC, you can just click next. Okay, and then just click finish. All right, so open the Java EE perspective. Okay, so you can open or you just can click no. Okay, wait for the eclipse to prepare everything. All right, so now we are ready to create our first crude process. Okay, this is our crude example folder which have been created. Okay, so you can click at the arrow and you can navigate all the folders or the link that have been provided. Okay, now just go to crude example and then right click, go to new, and then you choose HTML file, okay, or JSP, right? So if you are not sure what types of file that we need to create, okay, you can go to our slide. Okay, and then it asks you to create register.jsp. Right. Choose JSP file. Okay, and then inside the web content, name your JSP file. Let's see, register.jsp, and click next. Okay, just click finish. Okay, use JSP template and like that. Okay, finish. Okay, so framework of JSP file has been prepared for you. If you have your own code, just highlight everything and then paste the code. Okay, so okay, this is our code. Then save your file. All right, and then next, right click. We need to create the servlet. So go to new and then choose servlet. Okay, inside what? Java package, whatever name. Okay, go to your slide. Okay, and then refer to the register.servlet. So in the register servlet.java, the package name is package 1. Package 1. Okay, so the class name is register servlet. So click next. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so this is our framework of code for the existing code that prepared by the Eclipse. Okay, so then you can go to the slide and copy the register servlet code. Okay, select. Then you can paste. All right. So save as. Okay, register servlet.java. So if you can see here, there are errors in the importing the servlet library. Okay, just go look at the error message. So it will show you what are the suggestion or quick tips how to fix the errors. Okay, then just click fixed, check that, then add archive server. Okay, so this is the proposal or the solution that the Eclipse provide to us. Okay, now the red line disappeared. Okay, right. So next, create an XML file. Right click, new. Then go, if there is no XML file here, we can choose other. Okay, and then find for XML. Okay, here. Okay, and then choose XML and click next. Okay, name our XML file, which is web.xml. Next. Okay, so finish. Next and finish. All right, so and then copy the XML file. Okay. So make sure the link, okay, or the the name of the file is correct. So I want to change this servlet db example to fruit example. I already create a new folder to show you the insert process. For example, and then we have /register.jsp because the register.jsp is under the crude example. Okay, save. All right. So after we have complete inserting or creating all the three files, register.jsp, register.java, and web.xml. Okay, please make sure all the setting has been done, and make sure if you create a new folder in your Eclipse, okay, please ensure that inside your library must contain this file, which is MySQL connector.java 5.1.47 bin.jar to ensure that we can run our database or connect our servlet with the database. Okay, so let's execute the register.jsp. Okay, run on server and then finish. Okay, start server. Okay, wait for the Eclipse to display our interface. Alright, so key in the data. So for example, Mahmoud. Okay, email ID at gmail.com and then language English and click submit. Okay, so we will know whether the process is successful or not. One message, you are successfully registered, will be displayed. And then if you see here, okay, the data has been processed by the register servlet. So if we want to make sure whether the data has been inserted into the table or not, so let's look at our MySQL workbench, whether the Mahmoud just now that has been inserted has been insert into our table or not. Okay, that one. Okay, we can see there at the last line. Okay, Mahmoud has been inserted into our table. Okay, so hope you can try this exercise. So thank you.